lesson. My name is Karthik, and as you guys can see here, I have a lot of cubes and puzzles. So that will be coming in the later videos. So hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can be the early first guy to see the video. So let's get right into it. So today I'm going to solve this 3x3 Rubik's cube step by step for you. If you are new in cubing or you are a beginner, you surely know about cube notations. It is the most important thing because of new cube notations only we can write algorithms. So let's get right into it and check what's cube notations. A cube has 6 faces. F stands for front, B stands for back, R stands for right, L stands for left, U stands for up, D stands for down. There are 6 faces. Each face got 2 movements, which are called notations. We can give an example like R. R means clockwise. R prime means anti-clockwise. Like that. L means clockwise and L prime means anti-clockwise. Like that goes to all the things like U. U means clockwise and U prime means anti-clockwise. Like that D. D means clockwise and D prime means anti-clockwise. Like that it goes to all the things. It's seriously very important thing. So first I'll shuffle this cube and solve it step by step. So let me shuffle it. So now I have shuffled this cube properly. So let's start solving it. So in the first step, we have to make a white cross in the bottom of the cube. So we'll make a white cross and we'll keep it at the bottom. So let's do it in the main cube. So first, to make a white cross, first we have to find the white center. So let's check. Okay, the white center is here. So we have to keep the white center in the bottom. So we'll keep in the bottom. And we'll check for other white pieces. Okay, now I found a white and an orange piece. As you can see, a white and orange. Now we'll check for the orange side. Yeah, orange side is this side. So we'll move this upwards so it'll matches here. So now it matched. Now this thing matched. Now we have to find the white center. White center is just here than here. Like so, we'll move it 90 degrees towards us. And we'll put it back down. So now we completed one cross section. So we'll complete the next cross section. So we'll check for, okay, I found white and magenta. We'll check for white and magenta. So okay, magenta is this side. So we'll move 2 times. And we'll check white. Okay, white is this side. So to do that, we have to move 2 times. So okay, now we made another cross section. So next we'll check, okay, I got white and blue. So we'll move 2 tiles to get to the blue. We'll turn 2 times and okay. Now there's a green. We'll check where's the green, okay. Okay, now green is this side. So green is on the top. You have to put the green. You have to make a move to the bottom and we'll turn right so we'll not dislocate this white piece and we'll move back down. So now we completed making a cross. Sometimes extra piece comes, that's no problem, that's not a problem. So let's continue with the step 2. So in the first step we made a white cross. So let's move on to the second step. So in the second step we have to solve all the corner pieces. As you can see here, this is not solved at all. So after that, the white first layer will be solved. So it's like this. I did this thing in the demo cube so you can see what it looked like after you solve step 2. So let's do it in this main cube. So the step 2, we have to fix the corners which are missing in these parts, in the bottom part. So to do that, we have to learn one thing: right hand move and left hand move. So I'll show the right hand move and left hand move in the demo cube. So a right hand move. So right hand move you always do with the right hand, and to do it, first we have to make the right hand up and move 360 to move 90 degree towards me and come back down. That's called a right hand move. A left hand move means we have to take the left up, move it to the other direction, which I did from this right hand, and come back down. This is the same thing to do in this main cube. So let's start doing it. So first step, we have to find a corner. Okay, I found a green, orange and a white corner. Okay, so let me move. So when I move, okay, it's not matching because it's green. So let me take the green piece. Okay, it's matching now. It's diagonally matched. Now we'll check on the top if it's correct. Sometimes it can be flipped. So first itself, we have to do the right hand move up, move it towards it, come back down. So it fixed this edge. So let's move on with this edge. Okay, the green and the purple edge. So let's find where is the green and purple edge. Okay, the green and purple edge is here. So let's move it here. So sometimes, I forgot to say this, but sometimes it could be stuck in these corners, other corners, which is not the same. So to remove that, you have to just do the right hand or left hand, depending upon your position. Okay, so I did the left hand, so it's out. Yeah, so I move it, but it's not matching by both colors. As you can see, it's not diagonally matched by both colors. So for that, we have to do first right hand move, then you have to double move front, like double the thing, and we'll move it back. Now we'll check. Okay, now it's diagonally matched to the purple, and we'll move to the right hand move again, and now that's fixed. So now this is fixed. We'll move to another one. Okay, another one is already matched the correct position, but not, it's flipped. So we have to just move up the left hand move, back down, and we'll take this back. We'll check. Okay, now it's again flipped. So we'll do the right hand move, but by not doing this, we have to just move one more time and come back. Now we'll come back and we'll check if it's matched. Okay, it's matched. So we did it. So now the first layer is complete. So let's move on completing the second layer, which is solving these edges. So one is already solved. So we'll move on with the third step. So as you can see, I completed the bottom layer in the step 2. So let's move on to step 3. In step 3, we have to complete these middle edges, like here in this 3. So after completing that, we'll have completed 2 layers of the cube, like first layer and second layer. So let's start doing that. So in step 3, we'll fix these edges right here. As you can see here, these 3 edges are not completely solved. So we have to do that in the step 3. So in this demo cube, which I have in my hand, I completed it. So it'll look like this after completing the step 3. So let's get into it. So in step 3, you have to know the right hand and the left hand rule, like which I said before. So for that, we have to find a middle edge. So let's check for a middle edge. So okay, a middle edge is here. So it is orange at the top and blue in the front. So let's check which side is orange. Okay, orange is this side. So let's first move this piece away from the orange and just do the left hand move and do that. So now we have to take the thing orange back again. So now it's again opposite side. So we'll turn it here. So now we have orange color, it's matched properly. Then we do the right hand move. So it's all about like right hand and left hand. We have to switch after each move. So now let's say, okay, I found this. Okay, I found a blue and a purple. So let's check. So first itself, okay, the blue is this side. So first itself we have to move it away from us. Then so after that we have to do the left hand move. So after that we'll move it back again, so it'll be again opposite to each other. So we'll face blue side, which because it is diagonally matched. So we'll do the right hand move back again. So now all the other thing is fixed, but except this, sometimes this happens. So to do that you have to just do the right hand rule or left depending upon you. So we'll just take it back. So now it's matched again. We'll just do the thing. So now this is left. Okay, now we'll match it to green. So the purple is this side. We'll take the opposite side and we'll do the left hand thing, and we'll make sure that it's connected, and the right hand. Now we saw the second layer. So only layer left is the third layer. The other all is finished. So after completing step 3, we finished 2 layers of the Rubik's Cube. So last layer is the top layer, third layer. So let's start doing it. So first itself, in the third layer, the first step is making a cross on top like we did in the bottom first. So for doing this we have to use some algorithms like FUR, U prime, R prime, F prime. So let's do the same algorithm which I said in the main cube. So in step 4 we have to make a cross like here in this cube which I made. We have to make a cross. So let's do it in this cube. So to do that we have this algorithm like F U R U prime, R prime and F prime. So some of you all already get this line or like a L shape. So don't worry about it, we are gonna come to it. So now we have to just do the same. F U R U prime, R prime, F prime. So now we got the L. So if we get the L, we have to keep it like this. So one face is to this one, left side, and one is to back. So now we have to do the same step. F U R U prime, R prime and F prime. So now you can see that it's pretty much the same thing. It is solved. So next step, we'll make this full half yellow. In the step 4, we got a yellow cross. As you can see, I made a yellow cross after completing the step 4. So let's move on to step 5. In the step 5, we'll have this full yellow face will be completed. So let's move into. So in the first step, we'll solve these corner pieces right here. These 4 corner pieces. For doing this, we have to use an algorithm called like R U R prime U R U2 R prime. So sometimes you get like this or another shapes. So if you get like this shape, just keep the 2 blank spaces in your left side, like which I kept here in my left side, and do the same thing. R U R prime U R U2 R prime. After that, you may get this or some another shape. So just keep doing that until you get this shape. So if you get this shape, keep it in the left bottom side, as I kept here. I kept in the left bottom side to indicate that I kept my hand here. So let's do R U R prime U R U2 R prime. So now the fish is the top, so we'll just move it back down. So we'll do the same thing. R U R prime U R U2 R prime. So after that, we completed the yellow face as I said in the beginning here. So we completed the yellow face. Now let's move on to step 6. So in the step 5 we completed this yellow face. So after that we have to move to step 6, which is completing this. Like we have to, there will be 2 colors, each solved and one not solved, like that. Sometimes there will be one completely solved and others the same. That's an advantage for you if you have it. So let's make it like this. So the step 6 we have to make a pattern like this, which I'm showing in the demo cube, like this, a pattern like this. So let's start doing in this main cube. If some people already have one solved piece or one gap in the between, that's an advantage. So to do this, we have to do this algorithm. So first that L prime U R U prime L U R prime R U R prime U R U2 R prime. After doing this step, you will get like this, like the same thing. Sometimes you will have one extra space. That's the advantage which I talked. So let's move on to step 7. So after completing the step 6, you will get this. So let's move on to step 7. In step 7, we will have the full cube completed. So let's just start doing the step 7. Sometimes you have to do step 7 method twice. So in the step 7, you have to first itself check if one side is already solved. If it is solved, you have to keep the side opposite to the front you are facing. So this is the side is, I kept the side in the back, so the orange is in the front. So I have to do the step now. So the step is F2 U R prime L F2 L prime R U F2. So after completing the step 7, we totally completed this 3x3 rubix cube. So for one advanced thing, you can make a cool pattern like this, which I have made now. So like this, and there's another one too. We'll make it back. So we'll take. So this 2 sides are complete, and there's a line here, and the last one. So let me check the last one. So last one is this. This is so satisfying and very fun to do free time. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell.